How to change currency on BYDFi application. Are you guys facing issues to change currency on BYDFi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open BYDFi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your well-stated email and password. As soon as you're logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Tap it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options like language, currency, payment mode. You are looking to change your currency, right? Just tap on it. After tapping it, you can see multiple currencies. Just simply tap on search bar and search your currency. If you want to change your currency to euro dollar, tap on euro and select euro. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your currency on BYDFi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.